This NQ trade was taken after confirmation that lower prices were probable. I put a limit short order at 974, which was the open of the series of up close candles prior to the reversal. I marketed in one additional contract after the fill. I moved my stop to break even after a break below the prior swing. Shortly after, I covered one contract. Seeing selling pressure increase, I moved my target to liquidity level 881 and trailed my stop as structure developed. Target hit 18 minutes after entry for over $2,100 in profit. This trade was called out prior to the setup in the TraderMade Discord community. Several of our members took this trade based on my analysis. Join us at TraderMade as we live stream the New York AM and PM sessions daily.